Okay.
Guess who gave it to me head away? It's Mara. Guess who gave it to me back feet? It's Mara.
It's Gabe, not give, silly head.
Guess who gave me head away? It's Mara. Guess who gave it to me back feet? It's Mara.
I know the answer. You're not giving me a chance to answer you. Who gave you your Harry Potter bag that you're holding?
It's Mara.
Ah, Auntie Moira, that's right.
You're supposed to say it.
Oh, Auntie Moira. Who gave you your Wizard of Oz dolls? Auntie Moira. Okay, your turn.
You gave to me head away. It's Mara.
Not give, Dave.
Who gave me head away? It's Mara.
I know. Alright, do another one.
Who gave me back feet? It's Mara.
Ah. Alright, I thought you were going to do other toys. Who gave you the cool book that you did with Granny and Auntie Moira? Ah, that's crazy. Who gave you the Harry Potter blanket? Who gave you the big stuff? Who gave you the quick stuff? Who gave you all your fun clothes? Who gave you your...
Auntie Mora.
Who gave you your shoes? Who loves you? Alright, fair enough. Do you love her? Do you love her? You love Auntie Moira. Who do you love?
Auntie Mora means that I love her.
Oh, it does? Okay. So who do you love?
Auntie Mora.
Alright. I love you.
Auntie Mora.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.